What if I told you there's a massive opportunity right around the corner that could change the way you think about wealth? And no, it's not Bitcoin or Ethereum. I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR. Experts are predicting something huge for 2025, the potential launch of an HBAR ETF and a free airdrop opportunity. Yes, free. Stay with me because this isn't just about investing, it's about securing your financial future before everyone else catches on. Sound too good to be true? Let me break it down for you. But first, imagine this. What would it feel like to be in on the next big financial trend before the world catches up? Think excitement, think urgency. Stick around till the end for practical tips you can use, even if you're starting from scratch with just $50 in your pocket. Section 1. What is HBAR and why should you care? Okay, so let's start with the basics. Hedera Hashgraph, or HBAR, is a next-gen cryptocurrency that doesn't rely on blockchain technology. Instead, it uses a revolutionary system called a hash graph. Without diving too deep into techie jargon, here's what you need to know. It's faster, more secure, and more energy efficient than most other cryptos. Now, why should you care? Picture this. If Bitcoin was gold and Ethereum was oil, HBAR is like the electric grid of the future. It's built for scalability, making it ideal for things like smart contracts, decentralized apps, and even digital identity systems. Imagine a world where financial transactions are faster, cheaper, and more reliable. That's the power of HBAR. It's designed to last. No, seriously, this isn't one of those pump and dump cryptos. HBAR has real-world applications that big players, I'm talking Google, IBM, and Boeing, are already invested in. Feeling a little FOMO yet? Section 2. Why experts predict an HBAR ETF in 2025. Now let's talk about the big prediction, an HBAR ETF by 2025. For those unfamiliar, an ETF or exchange-traded fund is a way for people to invest in a group of assets without actually owning the assets directly. Think of it as a beginner-friendly gateway to the financial world. Why is this a big deal? ETFs bring legitimacy. When an ETF gets approved, institutional investors, the big money guys, can jump in. This drives demand, and you know what happens when demand skyrockets. Prices follow. Don't believe me? Look at what happened when Bitcoin's first ETF launched. It opened the floodgates for mainstream adoption, and Bitcoin's price hit record highs. But here's the kicker. What if you could position yourself before this happens, while prices are still accessible? Hold that thought. Now, some of you might be wondering, why 2025? Experts point to the growing adoption of Hedera's technology and its increasing use cases across industries. By 2025, the groundwork being laid now will likely transform HBAR into a major player, making an ETF not just possible but almost inevitable. And once that happens, we're looking at a tidal wave of demand. Free airdrop opportunity. Now let's get to the part everyone loves. Free stuff. Airdrops are like giveaways in the crypto world. Companies distribute free tokens to users as a way to build buzz and reward early adopters. And guess what? Rumor has it, HBAR might be planning an airdrop in anticipation of their ETF announcement. Imagine waking up one morning to find free HBAR tokens in your wallet just because you took action early. And no, you don't need to sell your car or donate plasma to get started. Airdrops are about participation, not huge investments. Here's what you can do. 1. Get a Hedera wallet. Set up your official wallet to receive the tokens. Think of it as your ticket to the airdrop party. 2. Follow their social channels. Companies often announce airdrops on Twitter, Discord, or Telegram. Stay in the loop to avoid missing out. 3. Stay engaged. Sometimes they ask you to complete simple tasks like retweeting a post, joining a discussion, or providing feedback. It's easy, and the rewards can be significant. And here's a pro tip. The earlier you act, the better your chances. Airdrops often reward the first movers. So, are you ready to claim your piece of the pie? Section 4. A beginner's plan with limited budget. Let's address the elephant in the room. I don't have a ton of money to invest. Listen, you don't need to be a millionaire to start building wealth. If you've got $50, you're in the game. Here's a plan. Step 1. Open an account on a reputable crypto exchange that supports HBAR. It's like opening a bank account, but way cooler. Step 2. Allocate a small portion of your income, even $10 a week, to buy HBAR. That's less than what most people spend on coffee. Step 3. Diversify smartly. Don't throw everything into one basket, but keep HBAR as a cornerstone. Think of it as your secret weapon. I get it, investing can feel overwhelming at first, but remember, every millionaire investor started with their first dollar. What matters is taking that first step. Inspirational wrap-up. Let me leave you with this. Imagine looking back 3 years from now, realizing you made one of the smartest financial decisions of your life. You don't want to be the person saying, if only I'd started earlier. HBAR is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a glimpse into the future of finance. And right now, you have the chance to be ahead of the curve. So, what's stopping you? Is it fear? Remember, fortune favors the bold. Is it doubt? Consider this your sign to take action. And if it's knowledge, well, you've just gained that here. Alright, your turn. Let me know in the comments, what's your financial goal for 2025? Are you ready to explore HBAR or join the airdrop movement? I'm reading every comment, so don't hold back. And hey, if this video sparked some ideas or inspired you to take action, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's build wealth together, one smart decision at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the comments, and maybe on the moon with HBAR.